Let's skip the fluff and go straight to the truth. You're trying to figure out just one thing. What's the best AI business I can start right now that actually makes money? And that question matters because every day there's another AI headline. Every week, another new tool. And somehow, every guru claims they found the next gold rush. But here's the truth no one says out loud. AI isn't a business. It's a multiplier. It amplifies whatever model you plug it into. So today, I'll walk you through 3 AI-powered business models one person can run with no employees, no payroll, and no unnecessary chaos. And to make the comparison simple, we'll rate each model across 5 categories: difficulty, time intensity, scalability, income potential, and stress level. Let's begin with the most technical. The first model is the AI automation agency. This is the business of replacing repetitive tasks with automated systems. Everything a business wastes time on, you turn into a machine. Responding to leads, sending follow-ups, updating CRMs, scheduling calls, moving data between tools, answering basic customer questions. You use tools like Zapier, Make, AI chatbots, HubSpot, Close, Salesforce, workflow automations. You study how a business operates, find every leak in their workflow, and build systems that run 24 hours a day. Businesses love this because time saved is profit earned. Let's evaluate. Difficulty level, high. You need strong logic and comfort with tech. Time intensity, high. Every client has a unique setup, and automation will break sometimes. Scalability, moderate. You can charge high retainers, but growth requires hiring specialists. Income potential, high. $3,000 to $10,000 per month per client isn't unusual. Stress level, high. If something fails, operations can stall. Now let's shift to something more creative. The second model is the AI content agency. We're living in a short-form video world. If a business isn't producing content, they basically don't exist online. This agency has a simple mission: turn long-form content into a high-volume stream of short-form videos. Podcasts, interviews, webinars, you extract the best moments. Then AI helps you generate captions, identify hooks, improve audio, resize for platforms, create thumbnails, produce dozens of clips from one recording. You're not editing everything manually anymore. AI does the heavy lifting. You focus on taste and quality. Now let's evaluate this. Difficulty level is moderate. Some editing sense helps, but AI handles a lot of the work. Time intensity is moderate. Revisions and client communication take time. Scalability is moderate. You can grow using templates, but eventually you need a team. Income potential is moderate. $2,000 to $5,000 per month per client is common. Stress level is moderate. Less pressure than automation work, but creative clients always want something tweaked. Now let's talk about the business model with the most leverage. This is the AI shadow operator model, the most underrated path in the entire AI ecosystem. Here's the insight. Most creators are amazing at making content, but terrible at monetizing it. And many of them have 10,000 to 50,000 followers, a loyal audience, trust, influence, consistency, but no product, no funnel, no launch plan, no systems. You step in as the silent partner, the backstage operator. You help them build and launch digital products, workshops, courses, info products. You handle all the systems. AI handles the heavy lifting. AI can outline courses, write sales pages, draft emails, create launch sequences, build landing pages, generate ads, edit transcripts, produce promo content. The creator records the lessons, you run the business engine. And instead of charging a fee, you take a cut of the revenue. For example, a creator with 50,000 followers launches a $500 course. They sell 100 copies. That's $50,000. With a 70-30 split, you earn $15,000 from one launch. Evergreen systems continue selling while you sleep. Each creator becomes a new income stream. Let's evaluate this now. AI does most of the marketing work. Time intensity is low. Creators make the content. Systems handle the rest. Scalability is very high. You can partner with many creators without burning out. Income potential is high. One good partnership can beat months of agency work. Stress level is low. So, no emergencies, no broken workflows, just collaboration. So what does all this mean for you? AI is not a magical switch. It's a lever. If you attach AI to a weak business model, you get a weak model faster. But if you attach it to a smart system that solves a real problem, automation agencies build invisible machines. Content agencies fuel the creator economy. Shadow operators build digital empires quietly. These paths are different, but they point to the same truth. The people who learn to work with AI, not fear it, are the ones building the next generation of businesses. And the opportunity isn't coming. It's already here.